If you're trying to play Palworld right now and you're getting connection errors, you're not alone. Players, especially in the UK, are reporting problems connecting to Palworld servers. The issue appears to be affecting players who are trying to join online or dedicated servers, with some users receiving connection errors or being unable to connect normally. This may be related to server-side problems, increased traffic, or issues following a recent game update. At the moment, there doesn't appear to be evidence that your internet or PC is necessarily the problem. If you're experiencing this issue, first restart Palworld and your internet connection. Then check whether your server has updated to the latest version. If the problem is server-side, there's nothing you need to change on your device. You'll simply need to wait until the servers are stable again. So if Palworld isn't connecting for you right now, don't panic. You're not the only one reporting it, and the issue may be temporary. Keep an eye on the official Palworld status and announcements for further updates.